बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलामुअलैकुम जी। मैं अपनी एक और नई वीडियो के साथ आपकी खिदमत में हाज़िर हूँ। इस वीडियो में जो जॉब्स मैं शेयर करूँगी वो वाली जॉब्स आई थी। रोज़नामा जंग कराची इतवार 22 सितंबर 2024 के अखबार में पाकिस्तान सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटिंग कॉरपोरेशन PVT लिमिटेड, वी आर हायरिंग, बी पार्ट ऑफ एन एक्साइटिंग जर्नी टू एस्टेब्लिश स्टेट ऑफ द आर्ट bank note and security paper production facility. Pakistan Security Printing Corporation PSPC is a wholly owned subsidiary. The corporation being the only book, bank note and prize bond production facility of Pakistan is seeking dynamic and high caliber professionals who are keen to contribute towards shaping the future of currency production for the following positions. हेड प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट ऑफिस की पोजीशन है। पोजीशन प्रोफाइल रिपोर्टिंग टू मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर। हेड PMO shall be responsible for the effective and seamless functioning of the project। ये आप लोग इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा पोजीशन प्रोफाइल का, ठीक है जी। Candidates profile: the candidate should possess bachelor's degree in relevant field of engineering with a valid Pakistan Engineering Council registration, master's degree in project management, business administration, engineering or a related field will be preferred. The candidate should have minimum 15 years post qualification experience in greenfield/brownfield industrial projects, preferably having 7 years in a role of project manager or head of project management office. Candidates with recent experience of execution of industrial plant projects as project manager or head of PMO will be preferred. Ideal age of the prospective candidates would be around 50 years. मैनेजर सिविल पोजीशन प्रोफाइल का आप लोग स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिएगा। कैंडिडेट्स प्रोफाइल बताती हूँ। द कैंडिडेट शुड पजेस बैचलर्स डिग्री इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विद द वैलिड पाकिस्तान इंजीनियरिंग काउंसिल रजिस्ट्रेशन। द कैंडिडेट्स विद मास्टर्स डिग्री इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग विल बी प्रेफर्ड. The candidate should have at least 8 years post qualification experience, preferably with at least 3 years in a supervisory/lead role of an industrial plant construction project. Ideal age of the prospective candidates would be around 35 years. The detailed job description of above mentioned positions are available at https://www.pspc.gov.pk/careers. https://www.pspc.gov.pk/careers. Both the positions are on contract basis for 3 years, extendable subject to requirement and performance. The corporation is an equal opportunity employer. A market-based package as per corporation's policy will be offered. The applications in the prescribed format available at website along with detailed CV, certified copies of all educational credentials, CNIC experience certificates and a recent passport size photograph should be uploaded at above mentioned website latest by Monday, October 7, 2024 or be posted at address given below. Please clearly mark the envelope with the position applied for. डायरेक्टर ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज, पाकिस्तान सिक्योरिटी प्रिंटिंग कॉरपोरेशन, जिना एवेन्यू, मलीर हॉल्ट, कराची। ब्रिटिश हाई कमीशन इस्लामाबाद की जॉब है। द ब्रिटिश हाई कमीशन इन इस्लामाबाद इज इनवाइटिंग एप्लीकेशंस फॉर द पोजीशंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक टेक्नीशियन, Islamabad. The British High Commission in Pakistan has an exciting opportunity for an electronic technician to join the state's team. The job holder will be expected to oversee general maintenance, planned and reactive of electronic board, fire alarm panel and generator control panel. For job specification and further details, please visit our website https://tinyurl.com/r86e760f. You also have the option to send your updated CV to saad.recruit@fcdo.gov.uk by 2nd October 2024 midnight Pakistan time zone, or you may send your CV to British High Commission Human Resources Section Diplomatic Enclave Ramna 5 PO Box 1122 Islamabad. Please quote CV Electronic Technician Grade S1 Islamabad in the subject line. Applications closes on 2nd October 2024. अच्छा जी, एल्टिगा एग्री सॉल्यूशंस पीवीटी लिमिटेड की जॉब्स हैं. एग्रोकेमिकल्स इंपोर्टर एंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर. जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़, वी आर हायरिंग a renowned group having a dynamic leadership and an experience of more than 3 decades in agriculture sector is pleased to launch a new agrochemical company with the name of Altiga Agri Solutions Pvt Limited. Altiga Agri Solutions Pvt Limited will share the product portfolio in Pakistan from more than 10 world's best research oriented pesticides, fertilizers, micro fertilizers and seeds companies. Apply for the vacant positions. National sales manager, experience 15 plus years. ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है preferably having the MNC experience bracket close. 5 years on a same designation. Education MSc/BSc Agriculture/MBA Marketing. बिजनेस मैनेजर्स की जॉब है. एक्सपीरियंस 10 प्लस ईयर्स. प्रेफरेबली MNC एक्सपीरियंस. एजुकेशन MSc/BSc Agriculture. रीजनल सेल्स मैनेजर्स, एक्सपीरियंस 6 to 8 years. प्रेफरेबली MNC एक्सपीरियंस. एजुकेशन MSc/BSc Agriculture. Sales officer nationwide, experience 3 plus years, preferably MNC experience. MSc/BSc Agriculture. Send your CV and other credentials. Email careers@altigaagri.com. WhatsApp 0307 555 3871 0307 555 3871. Only WhatsApp message, not direct call, please. Benefits: attractive salary, company vehicle, provident fund and gratuity, medical allowance, incentives, bonuses and other allowances. Those who have already applied need not to apply again. Please send your resume latest by 30th September 2024. अच्छा जी, पब्लिक नोटिस नंबर 01/2024. Applicants having Pakistan nationality are hereby invited to fill the following vacant post on contract basis at Nimra Jamshoro. Serial number 1. Post name Nurse, SPS 6. Qualification at the time of recruitment: A. 3 years diploma in nursing with 1 year course in ICU/ward, ETC duly recognized by PNC. B. 4 years BSc nursing, ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है आफ्टर इंटरमीडिएट, duly recognized by PNC. C. MSc nursing 2 years course after BSc nursing, duly recognized by PNC. Experience in relevant field: A. 2 years experience. B और C में नील लिखा हुआ है. ठीक है जी. अच्छा, दूसरा सीरियल नंबर है और पोस्ट नेम है जूनियर कंप्यूटर ऑपरेटर. SPS 3 A FSc/FA with first division with 6 months courses in computer. Application with 10,000 key preparation. per hour KDPH BFSC Computer Science First Division with 10,000 key preparation per hour KDPH nil experience, ये आप लोग देख लीजिए. अच्छा, अदर रिक्वायरमेंट्स. नंबर 1, एज लिमिट इज़ 18 to 35 years on closing date. Number 2, candidates must have obtained educational degrees for the government recognized institutions / universities. Number 3, where the prescribed qualification is first division in the final degree / certificate, only 1 second division in the entire academic career from metric onwards will be acceptable for eligibility. 4, experience will be counted after minimum required qualification of the post. 5, candidates already employed in government and semi-government organizations may apply only through proper channel. 6, only the candidates who fulfill prescribed eligibility criteria may apply. Candidature of those who do not fulfill the requirements and apply for any of above positions may be cancelled at any stage during the process of selection or subsequently, and no claim whatsoever will be acceptable during and after selection. Females are encouraged to apply. Application may be submitted on plain paper stating name, address, qualification, experience, domicile, DOB, CNIC number and other relevant particulars of the candidate along with the attested copies of certificates / testimonials and recent photograph must reach the undersigned within 15 days of advertisement. Applications received after due date will not be entertained. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test / interviews. No DA will be admissible. Administrator, Nuclear Institute of Medicine and Radiotherapy (ब्रैकेट में लिखा हुआ है निम्रा), जामशोरो सिंध. फ़ोन नंबर 022921338123 022921338123. अच्छा जी, ये अदर्स की जॉब थी 22 सितंबर. क्लासिफाइड की अदर्स रिक्वायर्ड फ्रेश इंटर / ग्रेजुएट्स मेल्स / फीमेल्स फॉर फास्ट ट्रैक promotion in largest financial institution. Maximum age 25 years. Training allowance plus bonuses. Share your CV at 0213563030 0213563030. A leading home textile buying house requires production merchandiser who can manage international clients from sourcing and costing of home textile articles from local factories till shipment of order. The candidate must have at least 5 years previous experience in home textile sector. Apply by sending CV with expected salary. Jobs at asiaindustries.org. Jobs at asiaindustries.org. Captain / honorary captain / lieutenant / SM or equivalent from army / navy / PAF is required to perform as group security officer in a leading garments factory. Minimum 3 to 5 years of experience. Contact number 0326803257 0326803257. Journalist, knowledge of copywriting and advertising. Business full / part-time. Apply worldadvertising.group@gmail.com. worldadvertising.group@gmail.com. तो जी, ये तो थी मेरी आज की वीडियो. गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान की जॉब्स हैं, ये भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करनी है. ये वीडियो यहाँ तक ही थी.
अगर आप लोगों को मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा। इस वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।